In this hour's Health Smart, have you ever heard the urban legend about it being dangerous to hold in a sneeze?
Yeah.
I grew up hearing this. Turns out it's a real thing, and it's actually more dangerous than you might think.
Yeah, a new report says the doctors say that sneezes produce pressurized air that can explode at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour. The report features a 34-year-old who suffered a neck and throat injury as well as a small perforation to his trachea. Luckily, he did not need surgery, but he was hospitalized for 2 weeks, so do not hold in those sneezes.